right, let's see. Can't see anything. It's raining. Frank is over here. He's putting his waterproof gloves on. I have nothing waterproof. I am soaking wet. Alex is here. He's getting dressed as normal. And Brian's there who just farted.
Alright, let's see what we got. Ooh, the front brake is a little weak. I'm kind of a pussy, but it seems pretty easy. I pussied out with the easy lane. Yeah. It was more than fine. I mean, your line I don't know, but my line was more than fine. Ooh. That line. Are you? Oh, fuck. Shit, I even don't like this one. Fuck.
I'm good. A little bit, yeah. Yeah. It's pretty freaking hard.
It's hard. Because the rocks are loose and then the sand is deep.
Yeah.
Did somebody crash up there?
I mean, I just tumbled into plants a few times, but one of the plants is really sharp.
But did you, where I went down the rock, did you try to ride it? When I hiked?
No, I hiked that.
There is a 30-foot gap, just stop, Brian. Don't hit it because I don't want to hit it. Okay.
That was sick.
Ready?
Yeah. Woo! Oh fuck! Almost ate it, man. So now we're back in the car after the first ride. How was it? Sick.
Wet.
Yeah. Sick and wet.
Really wet.
I don't really want to just douse my bearings.
What are you talking about?
How much was that water spray thing?
$85.
Yeah, 90 bucks. Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it. It's great.
It's great.
See, now we can like wash our bikes, not at home, super easily.
Nope. Woo!
No, it doesn't smell, actually.
This is how you dry shoes. With 2 circle lights and shoes on fire. Making a giant omelet. Making a giant omelet. Woo! Woo!
And bacon.
Oh, is there bacon in there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
That's what fired the alarm.
Yes. Morning, Alex. Is your stuff dry?
My stuff is dry.
Nice. Morning, Brian. Is your stuff dry? Best answer ever.
So dry.
Morning, Frank.
The shoes are not dry.
Ah.
They're still smoking
I
over
didn't
there.
even get to ask you a question.
Planes?
How does that hill up ahead look?
Mellow,
Mellow hill.
depending on the angle of the phone.
It probably looks mellow on camera, I don't know. Alright. There's Frank going for a pee. There's Alex going for a pee. There's Brian going for a pee. We made it to the top of Scorpion. There's Scorpion. Woo! I don't know. Looks like it's uphill. We don't like uphill. You guys tired? I'll just follow you in.
Okay.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Stop, 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 stop. Fuck.
That was exciting.
How's your face?
Fine.
Okay.
What happened? How did you do that?
I think he went to the wall, he tumbled at OTD. Thanks.
Yeah.
Woo!
Alright, who's ready for some us to death? Ah, shit.
Woo! Ah!
Holy shit! Check this rut.
Wow! Oh!
That was literally the best part of the day, I think.
Yeah.
I mean, I just liked it because I didn't die. Shoes wet.
This is going inside.
Is that important?
Yeah, the dropper doesn't work very well. As soon as you wash it or there's like water that goes nearby, it's not really waterproof, I think.
Ooh, looks like you got it.
Wait for the magic to happen. And now, yeah, smoke it
Yay! It works again.
up. Yay!
No? How's your flight, Frank?
It's hard to know the names.
Alright, let's do it again. Ready?
Yeah.
From left to right. Your left to my right.
All right. Ladyface IPA.
Dude, man, chocolate chip coffee beer.
I think those are chocolate chips.
Alright. And we got French fries, and we got this thing. This thing looks really, really, really good. You.
Remember, she should grab the black part.
She said to touch the black part. Okay. Okay.
But first we climb up. Steep fire road.
Oh, damn. It's raining again. It's raining harder now. New lens, too.
Because it was supposed to be sunny today. Yeah, as soon as you reach that middle part here,
Get off the brakes.
always get off the brake, yeah.
Stay on this brake.
Alright, do it.
Actually, it's so tempting. Alright, I'm on it. No more bailing here. How did it look?
Looks good.
Did it look sketchy?
Yeah,
Really?
I think so.
Yeah, you got this.
Woo! Was that sketchy, Frank?
Good, like it.
That was pretty sketchy. No, he almost ate it.
Yeah, he almost died.
Wow, such control. Oh!
Was that nose heavy?
I was nose heavy, yes. Oh, fuck! Oh, shit.
Oh, sick. I like that.
Hey, your brakes work!
That was fun.
Yeah! Glad you didn't die.
It's cool doing the whole thing.
Oh, I'm so tired. Okay. Hey, Frank.
Hey.
Hey, Brian. Woo. Hey, Alex. Yeah, you're alive still. Good. It's the end of the trip, guys, because everyone's tired. Alex is knocked out. Brian is chilling. Frank is yawning. Oh, he's asleep.
Creek or like
The one over the rock bed, yeah.
yeah. I remember when that was like
Sketchy.
well when that showed up and it was like oh shit you have